Hello YouTubers and welcome back to another weekly video. We are going to cover weekly video about solar news from the industry in India, international news, ancillary industries, EVs and research and development happening in the renewable energy industry for the week 4 of July 2021. So let's begin. Hello YouTubers and welcome back to another weekly video. In this video we are going to cover solar research and news updates for week 4 of July 2021. So let's get started. IIT Guwahati and IIM Bombay teams make breakthrough in pricing carbon risk. So here in this research paper they are calculating using the data of 200 largest listed companies in the American market based on the carbon emissions that they produce and based on their sustainability development goals. They are seeing they are analyzing like if it would be profitable to invest in this company or not based on the purely on carbon risk. So this was the news that I was trying to deliver in the few part of Indian news as well, because the future of the grids is with storage models, and decentralized storage would allow for a virtual grid, P2P grid between anybody and everybody. So this research paper published the learnings from German storage model and how it is helping stabilize the grid. So in Germany, there is a overcapacity of renewables coming from solar rooftop power plants installed on every home and wind power plants installed on every field and offshore wind power plants as well. So currently all German homes have battery storage inbuilt with their solar power plants, and they store power in their batteries to be consumed in night time or to be fed into the grid at the peak power. So they discussed how battery storage model is helping Germany stabilize their grid, and how they are going to go about this in the future, and how the discoms and the government there is sometimes at some times of the year having negative tariff where basically they pay to the consumer to consume electricity. So we had covered this in last month as well. People are paid to consume electricity in Germany at few times in a year. So this was amazing news that was amazing. So a gearless dual axis solar tracker has been showcased, and they have the data of 30 months to prove that how efficient is it. So they have got a patent for this. The company is Mechatron. Mechatron has got the patent for their massive gearless dual axis tracker. Here they are using, if you see the cursor here, they are using 90 panels, and all these panels are half cut solar panels of 144 cells, and they are using it on a circular slew drive, something like a slew drive which is gearless basically, and they are calling this a zero backlash technology, where they have witnessed high wind pressures coming from Canada, high heat waves also coming on this array, and it was facing zero backlash, so it was not going to move. And they are saying that this is the largest structure that you can rotate with single on azimuth axis with accuracy of 1 degrees. So currently like the industry uses stepper motors, slew drives, but they are having a unique system, and I would recommend you check their system out because I read the patent and it is amazing. It is kind of based on linear actuators that I used in my college project. So if you want to see what I did in my college project, you should connect with me on LinkedIn. And they are using kind of linear actuators, multiple linear actuators, and it is an interesting patent to read. So this has been finally done. CATL claims to have made sodium ion batteries a commercial reality. They are saying that we are going to start mass production of sodium ion batteries. Sodium is available in abundance on earth as compared to lithium ion, and sodium currently has a energy density that is 160 watt hour per kg, a little short of 200 watt hours per kg as compared with lithium ferrophosphate. But CATL is saying that we will be using these batteries for EVs in China, and once they prove this in EVs that are performing in China, they will be selling this battery to the world. So this was all the news for research innovation and development in the renewable energy industry. Thank you for watching. If you got value in this news, you know what to do. Hit like, subscribe, and most of all, share the news with your industry friends. And that was all for this video. I'll see you in the international news video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.